that your husband? How long? 12 years. 12 years. Congratulations. That's hot. Hi. Cheers, everybody. Happy New Year. Okay, it was March already. Oh, right. Chinese New Year was on the 14th, right? Right. So, Winnie, happy Chinese New Year. You guys, our bartender Winnie over there, give it up. She's the one that's bringing the special guest in. So, give it up for Winnie. Make some noise. Woo! Well, kind of. Oh, wow. I have a hair in my mouth now. Okay, I'm going to chug this. Ready? Salute, everybody. Sawadika. Did I get my knees dirty? Oops, I'm plugging into the beer now. I don't want, see, I didn't want my tissue to be coming out. Okay, here we go. Salud, 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 salud.